Hi, I'm Jeremy Crosby.
And I'm Nick Boucher. We're your hosts for the program that's all about your city, Talking Fitchburg.
Every weekday, we pull together the news, events, and information you need to stay on top of what's happening in the city of Fitchburg.
Find Talking Fitchburg on cable TV, Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and our live stream on the web. Plus, you can find all our headlines and stories on Facebook, YouTube, and our video on demand service. This is your city.
Keep up with Talking Fitchburg and the issues affecting you and your neighbors.
Get connected, Fitchburg. Sign up for Fitchburg Connect, the city's monthly e-newsletter that keeps you informed about all the events, services, and updates that matter to you. Get it in your inbox once a month. Sign up today to get Fitchburg Connect.
Stay connected everywhere you go. Fitchburg is on your phone and your tablet and your laptop and TV. Download the app. It's free. Access Fitchburg. This is your city at your fingertips.
I call to order this meeting of the Public Safety and Human Services Committee for Tuesday, August 25th, 2026 at 6 p.m. in the Jeannie Seelig Room. First item is call to order. Next is roll call. We'll start with the chair. Alder Reichstad is present. Vice Chair Alder Herbst.
Here.
And our member Alder Lepper.
Here.
We have a quorum. All members are present. Item 3, public appearances for non-agenda items. We have no one in the room and no one online. Item 4 then is our consent agenda, which includes the approval of the August 11th minutes, approval of routine operator licenses, and approval of sound permit applications. Can I have a motion on this item?
I'll move approval.
Moved by Alder Lepper. For the record here, our items within the sound permit applications include 3 new events: the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints Summer Church Social at McGaw Park on Saturday, August 29th, 2026 from 1 to 9 p.m. with amplified sound. The Fitchburg Rec Department's Movie in the Park at Southdale Park on Monday, August 31st from 5 to 9:30 p.m. with amplified sound. And, my favorite to say, the Madison Cat Project's Meowoween Walk to be held at McKee Farms Park on Saturday, October 24th from 8:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. with amplified sound. Our reoccurring events are the Terry Fox Run for Cancer Research on September 13th from 4 to 6 p.m. at McKee Farms Park. The Madison Heart Walk at McKee Farms Park on Saturday, September 26th from 6:30 a.m. to noon. The St. James School Spartan Stampede on Saturday, October 17th from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. with amplified sound. And Sub-Zero's family event to be held at 2866 Buds Drive, Fitchburg on October 17th from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. with amplified sound. Within our operator license report, we have a total of 5 new and no renewal licenses, and I have talked long enough. Is there anything from either of you gentlemen?
I told my sister has 3 cats and she's excited about the walk, so.
I hope to see cats on the leashes.
Yeah.
So there's one in my neighborhood that I always get a kick on.
Yeah, and I believe it's just within the park. They're not using any roads or anything like that.
All right.
Yeah, it should be fun.
Let the Parks Department know to check any sandboxes afterwards. All right, we've got a motion on the table here to approve the consent agenda. All those in favor say aye.
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 All right, motion is approved. That takes us to announcements. Our next meeting is September 8th, 2026. Tracy, do we have an anticipated start time based on agenda items or
Right now it's looking at about 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock, okay. All right, if anything changes, we'll let everybody know. And I will entertain a motion to adjourn.
I move we adjourn.
Perfect. Moved by Alder Herbst. All those in favor signify by saying aye.
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 All right, motion is carried and we are adjourned at 6:03 p.m. Thank you, everybody.